Welcome. This is Howdy Honda's web series on how to use the technology in your brand new Honda vehicle. Today we're going to teach you how to use the radio in your 2018 Honda Pilot. From your home screen, tap the audio icon. Depending on the source that you were last listening to, that is what will pop up. And if the audio is off for any reason, you can tap the audio power button on the top left. That will turn it on. Once it's on, you have the ability, in this case for Sirius XM, to change channels as well as categories of genres of music. The skip function will allow you to back up the radio because your Honda Pilot is recording the Sirius XM on your preset stations, which are the ones that you save. So you can back up after you've been driving for a while and re-listen to music that has already played. To set a preset station, just get to the favorite station that you like, in this case channel 55, press and hold on the preset channel that you'd like to override. Some channels will be able to be mixed with other channels, so you can hear one song from one song from the other. In this case, I am just going to replace it so that it is just the Garth channel, and that's what we'll set. But you have the option to save up to 6 on this page, as well as you can tap this double arrow and get an additional 6 for a total of 12. 12 for your XM, 12 separate ones for your FM, and 6 separate ones from that for your AM stations. To change your stations, or change your source, rather, you can tap on the source icon. Then you'll be greeted with the different sources. Depending on your trim level, you may have less, and this may look a little different, but you just tap on the one that you want, either your FM, your AM, satellite radio, CD player if you have it, USB ports, iPod, Pandora, Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, Bluetooth wireless from your phone, the auxiliary port in the center console, and if you have the rear entertainment, you'll have the option for rear video for a gaming console or a separate video player. So tap on the one that you like, and then you'll be greeted with different screens depending on your source. But it all functions relatively the same.